What's up, guys? This is Jay with Stick and Wrap. Today we're going to be working on a Volkswagen Beetle. She actually wanted to get her some racing stripes, so we're going to go ahead and put that on for her today. And we're going to go ahead and put some racing stripes right here, and same thing on the other side over here. And then we're going to bring it all the way over here, all the way down to where the front of the hood is, and hopefully she'll be able to have one stripe here and one stripe here. She decided to do two tones, so instead of just a soft pink, she's going to add a little accent to it and doing a little bit of silver right on the edges of the hood. So now that we finished washing this car and letting it dry, we are going to now clay bar the car, and this is usually what I like to use, is the mother's kit. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and spray it down real quick. It's going to look like a clay or a Play-Doh. And we're going to mesh it in, and we're going to start clay barring it, so that way it'll be nice and smooth. And you want to be able to constantly, and so now when you touch it, it should be nice and smooth instead of all that roughness. So we already laid down the pink decals, measure both sides, and then now we actually just did she wanted to do the silver stripes in the end, so that way it has like that two-tone look. Make sure we clean all the inside right here from the hood, and then clean all that side too. And then on top of that, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting in, tuck everything underneath. We're gonna go ahead and start doing that top piece right here, so that way it all lines up together. Alright guys, we're back on day 2 working on this Beetle. We just finished installing the racing stripes. Comment below, just tell us what you think about it. This is what it looks like. So 2 separate pieces right there. And this is what the front looks like. I think it came out pretty good. Alright, see you guys next time. And make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you guys soon.